Hi everybody, it's Coach Ran Biderman. Today we're going to talk about the DISC assessment profile, and I want to use the Tony Robbins DISC profile. First of all, it's free, and I'm going to show you right now how to go to his website and how to actually take this test. Okay, so basically you go to Tony Robbins Disc on Google, click enter obviously, and then the first one coming up right here is the DISC assessment by Tony Robbins. Click on it and you get yourself right in there. Go through the steps, click take assessment, and you start it. There are two parts to the assessment. When you finish the first one, it will guide you to take the second one, and right after the second one, you're gonna get your results. Now, we're using the DISC profile in real estate coaching all the time. You will use it as an advanced technique, as an advanced tool. A lot of top producers in our industry, people that close 100+ deals a year, are utilizing versatility in their business. Meaning, first of all, the first step that's gotta happen in your business is you really need to understand your own profile. Once you really understand your own profile, you can then start matching other profiles as you're conversing with other people. So you're gonna come across, first you understand your own profile, then you're gonna meet with other people. Some of them are gonna have different profiles. And once you really understand how each profiles behave, how each profile style is different than yours, and then how you can actually utilize that in your business to build rapport quickly, to use advanced sales techniques, to be able to broaden the amount of people that you're working with. For example, if I'm a driver and I just like working with people like myself, I'm going to be limiting my business to working only with drivers. And obviously, the majority of population is all 4 personality styles. Now, in addition to the 4 personality styles, as many people already know, we're talking about 2 different types, extroverts and introverts. And when we're talking about the DISC profile, the DISC represents 4 letters, D, I, S, and C. The D stands for the driver. The I stands for influential, and then the S stands for steady, and the C stands for conscientious. Now, when you understand each one of those, the next level is to understand the combination of these profiles. There is a combo profile. For example, someone can be a driver influential, or they can be an influencer driver, which is an extrovert. And then obviously they will feel more naturally in a sales situation. So extroverts tend to naturally be better salespeople. But what if you're introvert? What if your style is an SC or a CS? At that point, you don't have the DI profile or the ID profile. You're not a driver expressive. You're not a driver influential. You are what we call an amiable analytical, which really stands for the steady conscientious. So if you have that profile, what happens? Well, I know a lot of top producers with that profile. I know a lot of top producers with SC profile. So how can it be that someone introvert becomes successful in real estate business? We're going to talk about that. So let's take the first step, okay? I'm going to include links below. Just go there, click on the link, take the test. Once you're done with the test, you will receive an email. At the end of the test, you're going to receive a file that you can print or you can save on your computer as a PDF file. Keep that for yourself and then read and go over all the stuff that you're getting. At the end of that profile, they're also going to give you the other 3 profiles. So if you are, for an example, a driver, at the end, at the bottom of the profile, you're going to see an explanation of the influencer, an explanation of the steady, an explanation of the conscientious. You want to know all of these different kinds. Now, you can also read a lot online on the DISC profile and different personality styles, which can also help you obviously increase your versatility and increase the amount of people you're capable of working with. Another reason you want to know the DISC profile is when you come across with team members. For example, when you're at a level, say you're a real estate agent selling already 50 deals a year, and it's time for you to actually hire someone. You want to hire a transaction coordinator, you want to hire a personal assistant or buyer's agents on your team, etc. At that level, you need to understand who it is that you need to hire to your team, how to work with these people, how to create synergy within your team. So I see a lot of professional top producers, I'm talking the elite of top producers doing 100+ deals a year. The majority of these people are capable naturally to be more versatile than other people. The more versatile you become, the more chances of you building rapport and trust with people And obviously that means more business to you because we are in a relational business, but at the same time, relational business, we still need to develop new relationships, meaning we are in sales position. And when you're in a sales position, you're very introvert. For example, if you are a steady profile, which is very timid and you don't feel comfortable approaching people, what should you be doing then? Okay, and we'll talk about all that stuff. Now, after you take the test and you get the results, I invite you to just go below here. You will see a link to my website, and I'm inviting you to a free coaching call. Okay, at the coaching call, just book the coaching call and then I'll meet with you one-on-one and we're gonna go over the specifics of your own profile and then how you can match with other profiles and how that can help you actually in your approach in your business. For example, if someone is a driver, we're gonna give them a driver business plan. If you're an influencer, we will give you an influencer business plan. So if you're interested to bring your business to the next level, if you're doing any kind of sales, in particularly if you're a real estate agent or a broker and you want to expand and grow your team, grow your office, grow your brokerage, if you are looking for more sellers to give you listings, if you're looking for more buyers that want to work with you, if you want to work with more investors, the more versatile you become, the more successful you'll become and the more you'll be able to actually convert leads. Lead conversion is all about being versatile. And there's a lot to this. I mean, we can go through a boot camp, 3-day boot camp, just talking about the disc profile. But let's start right now. This is a very basic level. All you got to do is just scroll down here, take the test. And after you take the test, let's book a free coaching call for you. And at that time, we will discover exactly what is your profile, how to work with that profile and bring you to your next level. Feel free to share. If you already took the DISC test, feel free to share it down below. And if you have any questions in relation to that, just post everything down below and let's have a discussion about that. Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe and then hit the bell so that you get the next notification on the next video. I'll see you guys soon.